Hey guys, sorry we didn't post the Harry Potter thing when we said we would. So basically the actors for it, they like, they all weren't really ready and we didn't really know when to record it. And we know we said that we would record it in a week at the time, but it, you know, it's just like it's been a while and like we didn't really know when to record it because like nobody was responding to the texts when we told them it was time to record. So we're planning on doing it tomorrow or the day after. um and if it still doesn't come out, probably it'll be the day after that. We don't know. So yeah, I this is just a quick reminder.